Hi, welcome to SmartWorks. In the last video, we uploaded data using Python into a database. The default data type for all the data that we had uploaded was text. We did it for our convenience because it is easy to handle this kind of data, and we don't have to take care of any special cases then. But that's not cool, right? For our data analytics, if you probably want to have it stored with the right data type for us to do any kind of analytics on it. Now, the data that we had uploaded was pretty big, right? I mean, we had 152 columns, all of them uploaded as text. So a good way to do it is, usually we just write a very small script or a small procedure in SQL, which we can execute as soon as the table is created and loaded and the data loaded onto the database. In this script, we essentially just loop through each and every column in that particular table, read the data, try and figure out what is the kind of data that is stored in that particular column, and then recommend a data type for that particular column. So at the end of the day, when we've executed this kind of a procedure, what we'll get is essentially all the columns, and what is the data type that is present based on the data that is available. This is helpful right now because now I can simply create a script to automatically create a new table with the right data type for each column, and move forward with the analytics very quickly. Only caveat I will add is it's good to review it once, and of course for the purpose of demo I have written something very basic and a very dirty script, but we can add a whole lot of other information as well. Like for example, we can add what is the length of this database. If it is a float, you can even decide what kind of a precision you want, or if you want the precision to come from the data, that can be done as well. Another thing is different database systems have different method of achieving the same thing, or a different script might be required. In Postgres, I'm using regular expressions, which I thought is a good way to determine the data type. But let's say if we were doing the same thing in Microsoft SQL Server, an easier way to do would be just try and convert that data into a given type, and if it does, then we just assign that data type. So yes, I mean, so that's really the next step, right, in terms of getting the right data type for our data by reading that information. I hope this was helpful, and as usual, if you are interested in any one of these scripts, please reach out to me. Thank you.